Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I love playing video games. Whenever I'm not editing or shooting videos, I'm probably playing some sort of video game, or I'm playing sports like soccer, basketball, and badminton. But due to what's been going on recently with the whole pandemic, that has been cut down completely. I always looked at getting a VR headset, but they're usually super expensive or require you to have a really good PC setup, beacons beaming around all different corners of the room, and you need a lot of space to get set up, but not with the Quest 2, and that's why I like it. Alright guys, so before we jump on, I want to give a huge thanks to Facebook and Oculus for sponsoring today's video. But yeah, let's see what we have inside the first box, which is the huge box. Now, I'm not sure if you guys will get a box this huge, because this is probably like the reviewer's kit or something like that. But yeah, it's a huge box. We also have a few accessories right here. They also sent over their kit. So this is the Quest 2 Fit Pack, and inside here we have a light blocker and two interchangeable facial interfaces. So if you have like you wear glasses or you have a narrower face, I think they also have a glasses spacer inside here. But yeah, that's that. We also have a carrying case, which we're gonna look at. But before we look at all the accessories, you know, we have to look at what's inside this big box right here. All right, so let's jump in. This is magnetic, by the way, and boom. There we go. So we have the Oculus Quest 2. They sent over a little note. When was the last time you'd played for real? Facts. We've just been sitting down and playing. And because of this pandemic, this is actually going to be super fun with the social VR they have. But yeah, this is a really nice letter from Oculus. And this is the Quest 2 itself right here. So I think if you guys buy this like retail, this is the box you'll get. See what's in here. So yeah, they just sent a bunch of goodies for me. All right, so now it's time to actually take a look at the Quest 2, and we have the 64 gig model right here. Now this is the back of the Quest 2. We just have a couple of games that they're showing us, probably some of the most popular games. On this side, nothing much. So inside the box, we're supposed to have the VR headset itself, two touch controllers, two AA batteries, the power adapter, the glasses spacer, and the charging case. And we just slide this out. Super like easy to unbox. I love that it doesn't have a lot of different plastics. I hate unboxing that has so much plastics. And boom, there we go. Wow, this is actually my first time using VR, so this is gonna be a really exciting experience for me. So here are the touch controllers. I like it. It comes in white. It already feels like super ergonomic, but these are the touch controllers right here. We have the Quest 2 itself, actually super light. I like it with the headband. I don't know what you guys think. It's really nice. I like the white and black theme that they're going for. You guys know how much I love white peripherals. And then we have the glasses spacer. So if you wear glasses, this is definitely gonna be recommended to use. And as you guys can see, I wear glasses, so I'm definitely gonna need this. Next up, we have the power cable. I think this is the charging cable. It does charge with USB Type-C, if you guys were wondering. So there we go. Super nice packaging, man. I love it. What about the pamphlet right here that I guess just have all the instruction manuals just in case you need them? Probably do, so do not throw those out. Then we have the USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. So yeah, really nice unboxing experience, especially for the price of $299. That's really premium right there. So this is the Quest 2 carrying case. I love the outer finish right here. So let's just take off this little, I don't know what that is, but yeah, look at this. It's so futuristic, like a little dinosaur egg. I just love the aesthetic that they went with this thing. And let's open it inside for the first time. Can we? It's actually zipped. I didn't know it was a zip. Oh, that's dope. All right, so we have a nice little zip. And yeah, there it is. Oh, this is nice. So inside this carrying case, you guys can see that it's super soft. And then we have this little compartment for a charging cable. And right here is where we'd put the headset and also the controllers. So yeah, this is a really nice case. It's hard on the outside, not really hard. You could still like squeeze it in. But this is gonna be solid if you're carrying this around, and it also has this little loop so you could stick it onto your bag or just carry this in your hand while traveling or going to a friend's house. And last accessory we actually have the headset as well, but it's just a typical headset. They actually partnered up with Logitech. So this is the G Pro X headset. So you just plug this in, put it on, and it works just as is, but it's VR ready by Oculus. But now the important one is the Oculus Quest. So if you have a good PC and you don't want to use the dedicated GPU or the chipset, the Snapdragon chipset that's inside, you could hook it up to the Oculus Quest with your PC and you get like really good smooth gameplay, really sharp graphics and all of that. And yeah, you just hook this up to your PC, plug the other end into the Quest 2, and then you could start streaming games from your PC onto the Quest 2 for an overall better experience. The first thing that stood out to me when I connected the Oculus Link to my PC was just how much detailed the games were. Now don't get me wrong, the standalone graphics on the Quest 2 looks amazing, but the Oculus Link cable just unlocks that much more clarity. Also, I figured out this virtual desktop feature and I felt like I was Tony Stark for a second, yo. I could literally control my entire PC with my hands, and it was just, I was even editing a portion of this video that you're watching on Premiere Pro on this virtual desktop feature with the Quest 2. Now I'm just addicted to that virtual desktop feature because it's like I have all these screens in front of me. I'm moving screens with my fingers and everything. It's just like I'm in Cyberpunk. Okay, so before we jump into any games, let's talk about one of the most important things, and it's the price. This is really, really affordable. It comes in at $299 for the 64 gigs version, and the 256 version will run you $399. There's actually a couple new changes with the Quest 2. The LCD panel inside got a 50% increase in screen quality, and also the new Snapdragon XR2 chipset, which is the brain of the Oculus Quest 2, and that helps out for a very smooth gaming experience. And speaking about smooth, the display that we have running here is a 90 Hz refresh rate screen, so that means games would look way better, and that's a bump up from the 72 refresh rate or 72 Hz screen we had with the predecessor, which was the Quest 1. Now if you want to talk numbers, the LCD panel inside the headset is actually really sharp, almost a 2K resolution, coming in at 1832 by 1920. Now in terms of the design, I love how the Quest 2 looks. It looks really futuristic. So the touch controllers are like this white color with black inside. The same with the Quest 2. We have the white outer, inside is black. Really smart of them because you know this will be on our face, so you don't want that to be showing any dirt. Now looking around the front, you can see a couple of sensors, and that's for tracking movement and outline your playing area. Since the headset doesn't require any beacons booming around the four corners of your room, it's a standalone VR headset. And also you could use hand tracking. Certain games you could use hand tracking to navigate through menus, take up items and all of that. It's really cool, and that really makes it also unique. The head strap is also comfortable enough for gaming sessions, and you could adjust the length to fit your head, either it's big or small. I realized that we also have some built-in speakers at the side of the head strap right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but basically we have two speakers at both ears right here, and it's not like groundbreaking sound. It sounds good. It has a nice immersion. I think it's also a 360 audio, because when I was playing games and I was walking, turning my head, I could hear that directional audio. So that's a really good feature, and especially because, as I said before, it's portable. Knowing that you don't have to bring an extra headset or a headphone just to play games and have fun. I mean, the speaker does its job, but if you want to up your game, you could use any Oculus ready headsets, especially from Logitech. They have the in-ear buds and also the over-the-ear Logitech G Pro X headset that you could plug in and use if you want that full immersive experience. In terms of connectivity, we have a few options. We have that 3.5mm headphone jack that we just talked about on this side, and also the USB Type-C port for Oculus Link, and also to be able to charge your headset on the go or at home. On the right side right here, this is the power button. If it's blinking red, it needs to charge. You just hold it down for a few seconds, it turns on, then you're good to go. At the bottom, we actually have a volume toggle, so we could choose volume up or volume down, which is really nice that it's right there, very easily accessible. Now, I think that's everything you guys need to know about the Oculus Quest 2 in terms of specs and the features and what it has to offer. Now it's time for us to go in, play some games, have some fun, and for me to share that experience with you guys. So without any further ado, let's go. So yeah, we have our little garden right here. And now this is like what the home screen looks like. This is like your little nook. So you can see we have over there a couple of fans. You can see we have some palm trees. Looking over that side, we have the couch and everything. And this is like our main center console where we could go in and like choose different games, search for games. But you could also install games from your app as well. Down here is your little dock, so you can see like your notifications, go into the settings, play around with your Wi-Fi, all of that stuff. But yeah, we're gonna play some games, and the first one we're gonna play is one of my favorite, Beat Saber. When you try it, bro, yeah, just say what the hell. This one, oh, yo, bro. Oh my god, bro. I can't wait to see the footage of this. Yo! Oh my god. Alright, so that was Beat Saber. Now, you can see my level, my score right here. Rank B, you know the vibes. If you guys could beat me, look at all the confetti, look at all the stars. If you guys could beat this high score, comment down below and let me know. Oh, yes sir. I actually do one level I never played before. This one looks scary as hell. Oh my god. And to reload, you just hold down. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Man, I got man still. Oh, look at my aim, bro. I'm ice cold with it. Oh my god. Jamaica team, dog. I need 2 guns. Oh my god. Yo. Huh? Yo. I'm dead, bro. I'm dead. I'm dead. Yo. GG's. Holy. Nah, that's like the best game still. Don't want to pay to go to Wonderland? You know, you could pay $299 and go there every day, bro. Alright. Alright, it's about to drop. Yo, look at all the houses over there. And I'm sure this is realistic. Because you have the lake on that side and everything. Yeah. I would never go on that ride though. Oh my. People actually go on this, bro? No way, it's about to drop. Oh, yo. Oh my, yo. Nah. If I come out to this. Alright. Oh no. Bro, you think you're good, fam? What? Bro, what kind of spin was that? Nah, he's cheating still.
Here comes the serve.
Eat it.
Oh, it's a beach
A
ball.
beach ball. Bro. Yo, this game need a lot of space. Eat that. Bro, why does it feel so real, bro? Like, you have to actually put force.
Your opponent is now
Bro. This is not my game, bro. I'm trash. I'm actually trash at that game. Alright guys, thanks for making it to the end of today's video, and this VR experience has been amazing. I've been playing it so much, especially in the nights, just to like get away, you know, like going into this thing, going into a new virtual world is just amazing. Also, the screen quality on this thing is super sharp, and when I connect it to my Oculus with my Oculus link to the PC, I'm gonna be able to play games like Dirt Rally and all of that. I'm actually gonna try to get the steering wheel and everything to get the full experience. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about VR. Or is it cool? Will you be buying one? If you guys are interested, I'll leave links down below in the description for you guys to pick up one. And thanks again to Facebook and Oculus for sponsoring today's video. As always, guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Stay safe. Signing out.